Hey y'all, it's Cooking with Betty. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show y'all how to make some chicken and shrimp quesadillas, y'all. They so good. First, I'm gonna start off with some Tony's. You're gonna add that to your shrimp, and I do wash my shrimp and dry them off with paper towels. And I'm also gonna add some Kinder's buttery garlic salt. This is my favorite seasoning. Y'all already know this is my favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And then I'm also gonna add some smoked paprika just for color. Add a little bit of oil, and I'm going to mix that all together. Alright, once you're done mixing it up, it should look like this, that nice reddish orange color. That's what you want to go for every time. So I'm going to add the same seasonings I used for the shrimp for the chicken, and I used 2 chicken thighs. It's best to use chicken thighs when you make quesadillas. I don't know why. Don't ask me. I ain't the, don't shoot the messenger. But I think it's best to use chicken thighs. So yeah, just like we did the shrimp, we're going to add that oil. Mix it all up. Just like that until you get that nice little color at the end, just like you did the shrimp. Yes, look at that color. Don't be scared to season your food. Like, please do not be scared to season your food. Nobody want no bland food. Make sure it got some color to it. And you can see the seasonings. That's how you know it's seasoned good. When you can see the seasonings, okay? So now I'm going to add some butter and some oil to the pan. Also add my chicken. And I'm going to cook it on both sides for about maybe 5 to 7 minutes. You want to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. And you want to make sure that you brown them, like make them crispy. Look at that color, y'all. You know, me and this color just get along so well, period. So make sure you definitely brown both sides. Then I'm going to start by adding some more butter. I added about 1 tablespoon of butter. Then I added my shrimp and cooked both sides for about 1 to 2 minutes. You do not want to overcook your shrimp, so please only cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. And yeah, that's how it looks. Looks so good. So I'm going to take the shrimp out and put it into a bowl. And then we're going to start on our spinach dip mix. That easy. I added about 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh minced garlic. You can also do canned garlic. It's up to you. I just like mine fresh. And I did add a little bit of more butter so it doesn't burn in the pan. You don't want no burnt garlic, okay? Please trust me. And once you do that, you're going to add in some heavy cream and also your cheeses. And I did use cream cheese and also quesadilla melt cheese. This is the cheese that I use. You can use any brand that you like. I got this from a local Walmart, and this is what I use for the cream cheese. So once you add in your quesadilla cheese, you're going to also add in the cream cheese after that, or you can do it before. It doesn't matter. And I just added more cheese as I went through the process because I wanted it a little thick. I didn't want it to be runny. So make sure you can get the consistency you like, as much cheese as you like or less cheese if you don't like too much cheese. It's up to you. It's your preference. It's your food. You know, you eating it, not me. So right here, I'm going to add in my cream cheese. And I'm going to mix that together well. And I should have said this earlier, but I do have my stove on medium-high heat. And I will put the description and details on everything you need to know in the details below. So make sure you look at the description box. And now I'm going to add in some Tony's and also some chicken powder. It's up to you. You don't have to add chicken powder, but I love it with my sauces. Anytime I make Alfredo sauce, I add chicken powder. And make sure you don't put too much seasoning in your sauce because once you put your meat back in and mix it together, you don't want it to be too salty because the salt from the meat will be inside the sauce. So yeah, just a little tip. After I mix this all up and let it bubble, I am going to add in my spinach. I am adding my spinach now, and I did grab about 4 handfuls of spinach because you know it does get really small once you start to cook it, so just add in more as you go. Alright, so this is the easy part. All you gotta do is just mix everything together. Right now, I am mixing up the spinach, and I'm also going to add more cheese to make it more thicker because I didn't want it to be too runny like I said in the beginning. Boom, add some more cheese, mix it up. And this was perfect to my liking. Look how cheesy it was, y'all. Oh my God, I could just get some Ritz crackers and dip it in there. I added in my chicken, and I also added in my shrimp and mixed that together really well. Alright, y'all, so the last part, finally, like, what? I added another pan on medium-high heat, and I put a large flour tortilla, added some quesadilla melt cheese, some of that spinach dip with that meat on top, and you're going to add some more of that quesadilla cheese on top. And you're just going to cook it on both sides until they're crispy and brown. Y'all get the idea. Y'all know. Y'all, when I tell y'all this recipe was so freaking good, like, oh my God, I had to make this all the time. Look at that brown, that golden crisp tortilla with that cheese coming out. It was so good, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye.